Against the law firm that represents the New Hanover County Board of Education backfires. A magistrate has ordered the people who filed the complaint to pay up. The Sink Law firm used to work alongside the Vogel law firm, which represents the school board. In January, the Sinks sued Vogel, saying he did not pay them what they were owed while working together. Vogel countersued the Sink, saying they broke the contract the two firms had signed. A magistrate sided with Vogel last month, dismissed the case, and ordered the Sinks to pay Vogel $10,000. Now, we reached out to the Sinks and Vogel for comment. Jonathan Lee Sink responded saying this, quoting now, "After consenting to Vogel's request to 3 consecutive continuances, we were never given notice of any hearing subsequent to the May 7th date. That is, we were never given notice of any May 13th hearing, nor have we received a copy of any such order. Accordingly, we will be taking appropriate action to put this matter back in front of the court. Thankfully, our lawsuit against Vogel in no way impacts our ability to service New Hanover County schools, and we are proud to continue representing NHCS in a K-12 special education legal capacity." End quote. Now, we have also reached out to Vogel for comment, but have not heard back. While Vogel is the board's main attorney, the Sinks are contracted to work on special education cases.